Let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for on our GBP JPY. Those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on our GBP JPY. So we can clearly see that GBP JPY is in an uptrend move. So we are having a series of higher high and an higher low. So if this is our high on GBPJPY, this is seen as the higher low. Then here comes the higher high and this is our higher low. Here comes the higher high and this is our higher low. Here also comes the higher high and this is the higher low, right? With this higher low, we should expect the market to push up and form a new higher high. So guys, eventually, we should be expecting GBPJPY to push up and form a new higher high, thereby taking out all this high. Now, when you go to your forward time frame right here, you can clearly see a multiple rejection at this zone right here, which is support level, right? So we should be expecting GBPJPY to come to test it. Then we can now go ahead and take the high. So this is what I will be advising for you guys that trade GBPJPY. Be patient. This is not every time you take a trade, right? So just be patient. Wait for your GBP JPY to drop to this your support level. Once it drops to your support level and taps your support level, then you can now go ahead and take your buy on GBP because this is likely the move that GBP JPY will be playing. If there will be any changes to this movement, I will make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.